It's not always about designing fancy, spacious homes. Rather, it's more of designing what matters to you. And this time, we designed a very compact space for our client Rishit Iyer, who is a bachelor and wanted to design his home in a very minimalist theme.
Hello, my name is Rishit and I work for Bosch as a part of the business finance team. My idea of a dream home when I first bought this house was it should be as per my choice, my style and my taste, and it should give those warm and cozy vibes to anyone and everyone who comes in this house. And after doing a bit of research on my own, I came across Design Cafe. I decided to visit their experience center in HSR. When I first spoke to the designer, I had mentioned that overall the house should have a modern and an elegant touch, and it should be a combination of white, grey and some dark colors in the kitchen and in the living room. I really like the way the living room has come out in terms of the backlighting, the cove lights in the ceiling, entire living room area that is spacious yet color combination to it. And then if I talk about the kitchen, the combination of color should be in contrast. It should have a dark crockery unit below the slab, and above I can have cupboards, small cupboards which are easily accessible and have enough space to store all the appliances or even some of the containers that I have. The master bedroom has come out well. In terms of the bedroom, I just asked the designer to have a workstation and suggest me some options how I can have a sliding wardrobe as well as a dressing table. So she showed me some options on how it can be placed so that it looks compact yet very functional, and along with the paint as well as the light, it has come out very well. A home to me is where you're comfortable, relaxed and happy at the end of the day. My experience with Design Cafe was really good. Right from the beginning, every step of the process they had guided me. I would definitely recommend Design Cafe to any friend or any member of the family who's looking for house interiors. They are very professional in their approach and have done a very good job.
Even though it was such a compact space, we managed to deliver without compromising on Rishit's requirements.